speak loudly, little. Are you ready for speaking?
Yes, sir.
Do you enjoy traveling? Why and why not?
Yes, I really enjoy traveling because traveling is always create some fun activities and we can really reduce our stress level too.
Have you done much traveling? Why and why not?
Yes, I travel a lot and like since last year and I'm traveling a lot because traveling always create a sense of opportunity for us to cope with the daily stress and we can also become happy.
Do you think it's better to travel alone or with other people?
I think it is better to travel with friends because traveling with other person we can also learn many things from them. Like we can also came to know regarding the main destination of that particular area by the help of their ability to search new things.
Where would you like to travel in the future and why?
Well, I want to travel to the Kulu Manali because that is an a hilly area and I really want to explore such beautiful area and there is mountain all around me. So that will be the area where I will be traveling in future.
Okay, now I'm going to start the part 2. I'm going to give you a cue card, and the cue card is describe a child that you know. You should say who this child is and how often you say him or her, how old this child is, what he or she is like, and explain what you feel about this child. I'm giving you this page and pencil to make your keywords. You have 30 seconds time. Are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Well, children always bring a face on our face. They are always smiling, and so here I'm gonna talk about a child who is very close to my heart, and her name is Bhavya. Well, she is just 9 years old, and she is in fifth grade. But the way she behaves is totally different from a child. So she is very humble and she is very polite. She always regards to the younger ones as well as to the elder ones and she is so sweet. Even I was totally amazed when I was just scrolling her phone and I came to know that the way she poses totally different. I think that was truly remarkable and I truly admire her a lot. She is very intelligent girl. I came to know that in the last from the last 4 years she has been always scoring well in her exam and even she stood first in the previous examination. So she is well educated and the way she performs in her exams is very much good and she is very beautiful too. She always put a smile on someone's face and she always show respect to her elder ones. So she was a girl and she was a child who I truly admire a lot and whom I truly know.
Okay. How much time do children spend with their parents in your country? Do you think that is enough?
I think it is not enough because nowadays children are paying more attention towards the social media or towards the online game. So it is not sufficient and they do not pay much attention towards their relatives or towards their relationship with their parents and family.
How important do you think spending time together is for the relationships between parents and children?
Uh, I think it is very much important to spend some time to with their parents because spending time can always motivates a good relationship and a healthy relationship between a child and a parent. And we can also become more and more comfortable with our parents if we spend much time with them. And spending much time with their parents can always reduces the stress because a motivation level and a comfort level can always bring bad experiences from within ourselves so that we can also share that bad experience with them and they can motivate us.
Have relationships between parents and children changed in recent years? Why do you think that is?
I think it changed drastically because earlier uh, children do not have like much attention towards their phone. They were just busy with their studies, and so they were like engaged in just studies. But nowadays there are many things which really attracts children's mind. For example, there are some internet sources or there are some online games which a child find more fascinating instead of getting their parents. So these things really changed a lot from the past years.
What are most popular free time activities with children today?
I think in today's time, children are paying more attention towards the game and they are considering it a best source of entertainment. So these are the things which nowadays children are find more interesting.
Do you think the free time activities children do today are good for their health?
Well, they are not good at all because nowadays they are paying much attention towards their phone and using much phone can really affect their eyesight, so it is not healthier much and they can also face the problem of obesity as well.
That's all about your speaking task.